Another unboxing here. Not showing you the package. Just the, I already unboxed it basically. Too much stuff on the actual package. From Amazon here, another version of the IKingsky garments, which they also look to be the same as the Brave Person brand. And nice blue camouflage. They are men's. I'll show you the back here. Yeah, so this is the Brave Person brand basically. Maybe they renamed it. I get why they renamed it. And sizing's a little hard to figure out there. China based. Hard to okay. Camo. Booty cheek. What do you think? Interesting color. I don't have navy camouflage, water camouflage, midnight camouflage. Pretty cool. It is synthetic and it is 85% polyamide and 15% elastane. There's no cotton in this, so it's all China based, made in China. No lining. It's got kind of a pouch up front and fun cheeky back. If this is the same brand as Brave Person, then the IKingsky is kind of a weird word for underwear, but